Hello everyone. Yung mga hindi nakakaalam pa na ang Hong Kong may mga magagandang place dito ang Hong Kong, even though it's locked down. You can walk beside of that area na safe. Okay, so sa hindi pa nakakapunta rito, please allow me to tour you. Ito. Ang harbor na to is safe for walk. Marami ritong jogging, just nag-walk. Yeah, see? It is very safe. Napakagandang tanaw dito. This is 20 degrees right now in Hong Kong. So this is very nice weather for walking here. I'm still go to that area. Okay. See, a lot of people here, they doing fishing for their hobby. See, it's perfect weather today. Not too cold, not too hot. Sa mga may asthma na katulad ko, this is the perfect weather to walk slowly so that para may adjust yung lungs natin, no? This is nice really weather. This is the children's park supposed to be. Temporarily they closed it because of the COVID. Social distancing, government implement. Tapos tinani. It's really good. Okay. Tapos yung container na yun, color pink for children's library pag nandito sa park. All of that is for free. See? And that side is Kowloon already. Kung makikita mo yung elements there. Or yun ang IFC. Pasensya na kayo kasi itong my first video na I try na share sa inyo. I'm not really professional. Just try to share.
I don't know what you heard about me.
Helicopter, that's helicopter. I think it's going to Macau.
A few minutes later.
That is now the Hong Kong Macau ferry. Okay. Ito na po ngayon ang Hong Kong Macau ferry. My next video, ituturo ko naman kayo simula rito hanggang sa Convention Center. Ang daming fisherman here. Oh, ang ganda ng weather.